Today on YouTube, I'm going to show you how to start a 98 Chevrolet Tahoe. First, you stick the key in the ignition. Oops. I'm supposed to open it first. What the fuck? Oh. I'm supposed to open it. Then you get in the truck and you stick the key in the ignition. Sounds like a weak battery. But then I do it a second time. I hear it click. So the relay is working. I did it a third time. It did it. So that tells you each time I try to crank it, the truck vibrates. And the wire, there got to be a broke wire. My cousin Angelo is right. The wire is broken. I would replace the wire, leaving the battery to whatever the hell it goes to. Now I'm gonna cut it off. The truck shook a little bit because I cranked it up. I'm gonna do it again. It's a little weak, but we're gonna figure this nigga out later.